This segment of DelmarvaLife is brought to you by Baywater Trading Company.
Okay, don't panic. It's not quite December yet, but if you're starting to feel the holiday anxiety about where to get your gifts and your tasty treats, hey, we've got you covered.
Well, more specifically, Baywater Trading Company has you covered. And we're here with the manager, Megan Short, who's going to give us some ideas on some creative presents and also how to keep stocked up on the delicious produce. Welcome.
Yes, thanks for having me.
Yeah, so we're starting off, we talk about the CSA program that you guys offer every season. You're getting into your winter one?
Correct. So our winter cycle actually starts towards the beginning of January this time. So signups will open in December, so keep an eye out for that. Since it is winter time, it's going to be a little bit shorter of a cycle, so it'll be 7 weeks. And I'll go through a little bit of what we're going to have in the winter CSA.
You have some things here?
Yeah, definitely. I brought some stuff. So as always, we're always going to have our lettuce. I brought our bib, which is our most popular lettuce. We grow it in the hydroponic house. So you're always going to get lettuce in it every single week. I also brought some microgreens. That's another thing that we have, year round too in the hydro house. Those are really fun if you're not familiar with them. They're way more nutritious than their fully grown counterpart, which is an interesting thing. People always ask us what they do with them, or if they're going to grow more. They're not going to grow anymore. That's their full size.
Because
they still have the little root bottoms on it. Yep, so you just snip them right off of that little mat that they're sitting on. We put them in our salad mixes. You can garnish anything with them. Soups, salads, sandwiches, that's what we usually suggest.
Love them.
Always going to get some of that.
Yep.
Your winter CSA, you definitely going to have carrots in it a few times. I brought our rainbow carrots with us, which are really fun. We always get asks, do they taste different than normal orange carrots? Very slight difference, and really only if you eat them raw, you can tell the difference.
Oh, okay.
Their nutritional value are different based on the different colors and pigments, like any other veggie. Yeah, the purple ones are fun. So you'll get, rainbow carrot bundles one week. You might just get some normal orange carrots another week. It'll be heavy on squash. So I brought a little delicata squash.
What is that?
So that's just a fun variety of squash. My favorite way to tell people to cook it is just slice it right in half and put it on a sheet pan, drizzle some olive oil and garlic on it, and it's delicious. It's called delicata. The skin's very delicate, hence the name. Delicata, so you can eat the skin on that one. So that one's a fun one that we have that you don't see a lot of places. But we're gonna have all sorts of squash varieties, and then just our normal root vegetables, our beets, our radishes, all of our greens are gonna be heavy in the winter time. So that's what you can expect in the winter CSA this time.
Sure.
And then going away from the CSA, folks want to just buying gifts. You guys do gift boxes, you do gift cards.
Yep. So actually last year we had some people gift a CSA subscription, which is an awesome idea if you know the person's going to eat it a lot. But yes, definitely. So we have some pre-made gift boxes like I brought in here today. This one specifically features some of our other local vendors. There's our products, but we support a lot of other small businesses as well. So we have, pre-packaged gift boxes for you, easy to grab and go. Another great gift idea that we've been telling people is some of our jarred goods. We have salad dressing, salsas, preserves, barbecue sauces, all kinds of good stuff. They make great gifts, great stocking stuffers. We carry all sorts of local spices and hot sauces and everything, so those make really great gift baskets. We'd be happy to gift box anything up for you if it's not something specific like we have.
Right. Now to the part that Mike has just been chomping at the bit for.
Salivating all over the place.
The bakery.
Yes.
Yeah.
So as usual, I brought a bunch of our donuts. This week's donut of the week is in there, and that's our s'mores donut.
That would be this one.
Oh yes, that was so popular. It was last week's and this week's donut of the week because everybody loved it. If you're not familiar with our donuts, if you haven't tried them yet, I brought also one of our most popular, the maple bacon. Some maple syrupy glaze with some nice salty bacon on it. That one's always a favorite. And if you don't know about us, we offer a variety of donuts, fresh baked every morning. If you don't see your favorite in the case, ask one of the bakers and we'll be happy to make it for you if we have the ingredients, because we do switch them up. We have some certain ones that we do more on weekends just because of the popularity of them, but always feel free to ask. And then we have cinnamon rolls, danishes, muffins, croissants, all the good stuff.
You're speaking my language.
Yeah, and I think you need to actually taste test them because we don't want to. We just
All right, hold on.
want to talk about how good it is.
plain glaze.
I'm always a big fan of the plain glaze.
And while you're
Plain
doing that,
glaze.
Megan, tell us the winter hours now.
Yeah, so our new winter hours are going to be effective December 5th, which starts next week. We are going to be closing on Mondays and Tuesdays. And then Wednesday through Sundays, we'll have shorter afternoon hours, just where it gets dark earlier now and through the winter time. So just keep an eye out on our social media and at the store. It'll be posted what the new hours are, but those will be effective next week on the 5th.
All right, Baywater Trading Company. They are in Hebron on Route 50. Can't miss them. All of this stuff. Mike Lichniak approved donuts. Megan, thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thank you.